what you see here, no, they could look at one. Yeah. There's some open on the other side.
No, I cannot deceive you. I am very disappointed. I don't even want to see you. But I have nothing to do. My eyes have to see you. Oh, Nam. We still had some much to Nam, isn't it?
We had a few months from now.
And we expected this road to serve.
And look at
delegates.
Right Honorable.
I think I've pushed enough. I have been lenient. You are pushing us to the corner. I'm referring this matter to Cabinet and the President. Beyond them, can you improve my work even at night? You disrupt our traffic. Can't you work at night? We are not here to joke around. We are a government. And if you are not careful, we shall cancel those contracts. We have the capacity to cancel them. And you must give us reports. I'm now requesting or asking or directing. I'm directing. Prime Minister does not request. I'm directing you to write a cabinet paper so that we can talk about this in the presence of the President.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.